Guys, here's a tutorial on how to do this. Just like this. Okay, so first what you want to do, put your tongue on the top of your mouth in IRL, and then kind of like put all your force and let go. Kind of like you're sucking on something, right? Yeah, I'm still stuck in these caverns from last video. But yeah, I'll actually try to get up, right? I'm just gonna go crazy, right, guys? Here, give me a sec. Wait, give me a sec. Okay, I'm up, guys. After a long time. There's how to get long arms. If you want to get them in G-Tag. Okay, so first, if you have a strap on your controllers, right? Just like one of those hanging down ones. Hold on to the very end, and then just kind of wait. So, hey, sorry guys. So make your hands straight, and then boom, there's how you do. Oh yeah, guys. I nearly dropped my controller. Okay, here's how you do this, right? So first you want to put your hands in your straps at the very top. Grab it, kind of like the strap that's kind of like under you, and then just like that. Just like that. Now, that's how you do it. Let me just change this. But you can get pink. All the girls will probably love this. That was actually kind of cool color. This should be 2, and then this should be kind of 4. 9, 4, 2. I'm actually going to take a picture of this real quick. Where's this music coming from? Is this just lobby music, or am I just tripping? Oh yeah, it's lobby music. The original lobby music. But anyways, that's gonna be it for today. If you want to see more video, baby, like and subscribe. And anyways, my name oh yeah, I am like what type of outro is this? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna see more videos. Like and subscribe. And anyways, peace.